In the world of finance, traditional banking is being challenged by a new player, Decentralized Finance, or DeFi. But what exactly is DeFi? Imagine a financial system that operates without banks, where transactions happen directly between users. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's break it down. DeFi uses blockchain technology, the same tech behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This means transactions are secure, transparent, and often faster than traditional banking. But with great innovation comes great risk. First, let's talk about the rewards of DeFi. One major benefit is accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can participate, regardless of location or financial status. This opens doors for millions who were previously excluded from the financial system. Next up, earning potential. DeFi offers opportunities to earn interest on crypto holdings, often at rates much higher than traditional banks. Users can lend their assets and earn passive income, or even provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges for rewards. Now let's not forget about the power of control. In DeFi, users have full control over their funds. No more waiting for bank approvals or dealing with hidden fees. It's all about empowerment and freedom. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are risks involved. One major risk is volatility. Cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly in value, which can lead to significant losses. Users must be prepared for this roller coaster ride. Another risk is security. While blockchain technology is secure, DeFi platforms can be vulnerable to hacks and scams. It's crucial to do thorough research and only use reputable platforms. Regulatory uncertainty is another concern. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate DeFi, which could impact its future. Staying informed about regulations is essential for users. So, how can one navigate the world of DeFi? Start small. Experiment with small amounts of money to understand how it works. Educate yourself through resources like blogs, videos, and community forums. In summary, DeFi offers exciting rewards like accessibility, earning potential, and control. However, it also comes with risks such as volatility, security issues, and regulatory uncertainty. Ready to dive into the world of DeFi? Subscribe to the Crypto Genius channel for more insights, tips, and updates. Join the community and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Hit that subscribe button now and unlock the potential of DeFi.